We're making our second attempt to dock here at Coco Cay. We got some stiff northwest winds coming from your right to your left. The captain is pulling us back in on the leeward side of the pier so we don't get blown into the dock. So the winds are coming in from right to left, and they're using the azipods to push us that way, so it keeps us from getting pushed off into the shallower waters there. We only have a small narrow channel like right in here, and then we got to pull in right in there. So he's using the azipods to keep us straight in so the winds don't keep blowing us that way. We have to have enough power to keep us coming straight in right there. So we'll see. It's not a good sign that I see occasional swells coming over the pier. Definitely some stronger waves over the barriers. You can see there. On the other side of the island should be beautiful. So winds are coming from the northwest at about 19 to 20 miles an hour. So we are getting close. Let's see if we can do it.